In India, Ganga is more than just a river. It is the center of spiritual life for more than 1 billion people. But plastic litter and waste from factories enters its waters every day. The 2,500-kilometer long riverbed needs more than human intervention to clean it up. In a novel step, the government's ambitious cleanup initiative, Namami Gange, enlists a fleet of smart drones to clean up the plastic pollution. With GeoTrue 5G technology, drones have become more efficient than ever. They have a unique ability to detect, collect, and eliminate plastic waste from water bodies with minimal human intervention. Live feedback in the form of images is relayed back to the base over GeoTrue 5G network from where these drones are remotely controlled. Using AI technology, the drones are able to map the hotspots of plastic pollution and other waste floating in the water. The collected waste is then brought back to land and dumped at a pre-decided location. All this while, data such as speed and altitude of the drone is monitored from the base station over GeoTrue 5G network. The dream of Clean Ganga mission is slowly becoming a reality.